Leave granted. Stop. Respondent number 1 was appointed under the Rajasthan State Sports Council on the post of coach grade 3rd on 20 March 1986. Stop. She was thereafter promoted as coach grade 2 on 22 February 1990 and as coach grade 1 on 10 January 1997. Stop. On 27 February 2019, 9 persons were promoted to the post of sports officer from the post of coach grade 1. Stop. Respondent number 1 instituted a writ petition before the High Court against the decision of the appellant to promote respondent number 2 for vacancies falling in the year 2003-2004. Stop. The learned single judge dismissed the writ petition by an order dated 1 April 2015. Stop. In appeal, a decision bench of the High Court reversed the judgment of the learned single judge. Stop. While reversing the judgment of the learned single judge, the High Court has observed as follows. Stop stanza. It is not in dispute that the criteria of seniority -merit and merit for the purpose of promotion to the post of sports officer was introduced by the Rajasthan State Sports Council Service Rules 2006. Stop. The criteria settled in the year 2006 by no stretch of imagination could have been made applicable for the vacancy that occurred prior to introduction of the rules aforesaid. Stop. It is this finding which forms the basis of the ultimate direction that was issued by the division bench of the High Court to reconsider the case of respondent number 1 for promotion as sports officer against vacancies of the year 2003-2004 by adopting the criteria applicable at the relevant time. Stop stanza. In order to complete the narration of facts, it would be necessary to note that the earlier criterion for promotion to the post of sports officer prior to the year 2006 was seniority. Stop. Thereafter, the criterion was altered to seniority -merit and merit. Stop. The High Court proceeded on the basis that the criterion prevalent in 2006 could not have been applied to prior vacancies. Stop. There is merit in the submission which has been urged on behalf of the appellants that the respondent had no vested right to promotion but only a right to be considered in accordance with the rules as they existed on the date when the case for promotion was taken up. Stop stanza. This principle has been reiterated in several decisions of this court. Stop. The judgment in Y.V. Rangai versus Srinivas Rao dealt with a situation where the rules required that the promotional exercise must be completed within the relevant year. Stop. Ranga's case (Supra) has hence been distinguished in the judgments noted above. Stop. Rule 9 of the Rajasthan State Sports Council Service Rules 2006, on which reliance has been placed on behalf of the appellant does not indicate that the vacancies must be filed in on the basis of rules as they prevail in the year in which they have occurred. Stop. Rule 9 within bracket 4 is in the following terms. Stop.